Hi, friends, and welcome back to the BrushFalls YouTube channel. Today we're painting some more. We're going to have some fun. We're trying something really new and weird and fun. So this will be great. Come on down to the canvas. I got 5 paints here. We're going to see what we get out of this mess. Here we go. So what we're going to do here is I've got 5 cups and I've got 4 cups taped to a ruler up here, and the canvas is down at an angle. We're going to try to run the paints out the bottom of these cups and down the canvas and see what happens. Wow, that didn't know what to expect here. This was cool. This is really cool. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this again. Sorry, I was looking at the canvas. I do that sometimes when I really like what happens. So, seeing this kind of a modified open cup, it created some nice cells, but some nice swirls because of all the colors. That was a good color palette too.